You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions.
My dad is an attorney.
Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. As we discuss this matter, you have the right to stop answering my questions at any time you desire. You have the right to a lawyer before speaking to me, to remain silent until you can talk to him, to have him present while you're being questioned. If you desire a lawyer but cannot afford one, one will be provided to you without cost. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Well, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that I've advised you of your rights, are you willing to answer my questions without an attorney?
Please advise again.
Okay. Now, do you want me to read all of them again? Just the last one?
Yes.
Now that I've advised you of your rights, are you willing to answer my questions without an attorney?
No.
Okay. You said your father's an attorney. Do you want to try and contact your father to determine if you want to take the chemical test?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do that back at our station, okay?
Please.
No, just slide on there. Hey, Lieutenant. She wants to call her father, who's an attorney. Do you want me to have her call him now or when we get back to the station?
Is it Ron Winter who her father is?
I think so. Whoever the RO is, yeah.
Yeah, I know him very, very well.
Okay. Oh, all right.
Yeah, when my uncle was the DA, he was his first assistant DA.
Oh, okay.
So if she wants to call him, I got no issues.
Okay, I'll have her call him right now off her cell phone and figure out where we're going to go from here.
How drunk is she?
She couldn't pass any of the tests. She had most of the clues. The only one she did okay on was the one leg stand. But other than that, she was...
Did she do the box?
No, she refused the box. She was driving with no headlights on. Went over the center line. So...
You know what? Hold on a second.
Okay.
Something here.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what? If she's gonna refuse, don't at this point don't even mention my name.
Okay. Yep.
That'd probably be the best thing. If I gotta come in and do the test, I'll come in and do the test.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'll have her call and see what he says. And if she's gonna refuse, I'll just... You want to still do $250 jail bail, or?
Yeah, because he can come up with it real quick.
Okay.
How old is she? In her 20s?
Yeah, she's not older than 20, 24. Her license is in the car, so.
Right. Okay.
All right. I just wanted to ask you if you wanted me to call him from here.
Yeah, let me know what he says.
Will do, sir.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. Bye. Yeah, absolutely.
He's here.
Is it on speakerphone or?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Ron Winter. You're with the sheriff's department, sir?
Yes, sir. I am.
Has Rachel been arrested?
Yes, she has.
Oh, Jesus. Do you recognize my name at all?
No, sir. I don't.
All right. I used to be the chief homicide prosecutor for Niagara County. I worked in the DA's office for 18 years.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any way to not have this happen? Is there anything we can do?
I've already called out with her under arrest. I've already called for a tow truck, our normal procedure. Read her Miranda and DWI.
Oh, God. All right, so this isn't going away, huh?
We've gotten to that stage where we've gotten to the handcuffs on and in the back of the car and called out with 15-1.
And you're in the city of Lockport right now?
We're on Locust Street, right near Harding.
I don't know what her condition is. I don't want her taking the test.
Oh, okay. And that's what we're looking for. I can give you a quick background on why she was pulled over. She was driving down Lincoln without her headlights on. She crossed over the center line. She cut into the other lane as she made her turn onto Locust from Lincoln. So that's why she was pulled over and such.
Well, that's a good reason. Well, officer, Deputy, I'm sorry.
Can I take this off speakerphone for a minute? I'm going to take you off speakerphone 1 minute, okay, sir? Hold on. Just hit the button there. Okay. Sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just taking into account everything you've told me with your career, she didn't take the PBT, so I'm going to write the violations that I saw. You're going to have her refuse the chemical test. Just
well,
that's up to you to advise her.
Yes, I think she has to.
Okay. Well, I'll give you back to. What I'll do is I'll read her DWI, her Miranda again, and then she'll give me the answer. What'll happen is we'll take her to the jail. I'll have her processed here probably in the next 20 minutes. I'll have her there to get bailed out with $250 bail, and then she'll be yours. I'll get it done as fast as I can for you. Okay?
Okay. So I need to come out to the sheriff's department.
That's correct. And like I say, the next 20 minutes we'll get her in there, and we'll get her out as fast as we can. Okay? Oh. Uh-oh. You still there? Oh, there you are.
Yes, I am.
All right.
There's no way to turn this around, huh? There's nothing we can do.
We've already called out that she's under arrest. The tow truck.
Yeah.
At this stage, it's just gonna have to take its natural course, I guess.
Deputy Caughel?
Yes, sir.
She's telling me she's not that bad. Maybe she should take the damn. She's just in her leg.
That's up to you.
Can I down there?
You'd like to
I'm
It's
gonna see her before she takes the test. I'm gonna see what she's about.
okay. I'd have to clear that with my supervisor. I don't know if they'll allow it, but I can check.
Where's your supervisor?
It's Lieutenant Broderick and Captain Harrington.
Broderick. Dad.
Yeah, Steve Broderick.
You know Broderick, yeah.
Yeah. Used to live right here on the street. Let me get out of here. Let me come right down there. Take her into the station. Don't give her an answer. Let me look at her first.
Okay, we'll go. Well, if you want to, we'll head out to the station. I'll let my supervisor know what's going on.
Yes?
All right. I'm good. Let me know. Rachel, you may take it. You're not that bad. Take it.
Okay.
Just let me know. Wait. Don't do anything until I get there.
I won't. Okay. 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 Bye.
That's totally.